go for these checkups in Spain. I was not able to see well since a couple of years ago, but I was looking for someone to trust my eyes in Bangalore.
You get a little scared, but as soon as we met the doctor and the doctor explained to us and we saw the level of technical ability and the capacity of the hospital, I mean, we were really happy.
Okay, well, my name is Laura.
And my name is Ignacio.
We are from Spain, but we live in Bangalore since almost 14 years ago. And I have been having a few issues with my eyes since I have a very high power. And I was looking for a good doctor in Bangalore to do all my checkups because I used to go for these checkups in Spain, but I was looking for someone to trust my eyes in Bangalore. So a few close friends of mine recommended us this hospital and Dr. Narayana Nethralaya. So I came just for a regular checkup, as I was saying. And because I was not able to see well since a couple of years ago, so I explained to Dr. Naren, and then he told me, we should do some more tests. And then finally, they found that I have a cataract in one eye, already complete. And the other one is starting. Since the very first moment, I felt very closeness from the doctors, technically and personally speaking. Also from all of the staff, I had a lot of help from they are taking care of me. I felt that I could trust since the very first moment. So I came back home, I explained everything to my husband, and we decided to go for a surgery. We did the surgery yesterday and I feel completely fine. I'm very happy that finally I think I'm gonna be able to see well with the results of the surgery and with mostly with the hospital and with everybody in the hospital, doctors and the rest of the staff, everyone.
Laura has said it all. When she told me that she needed to have surgery, you get a little scared, but as soon as we met the doctor and the doctor explained to us and we saw the level of technical ability and the capacity of the hospital, I mean, we were really happy because actually in Spain they have not detected this problem and she was not seeing well for the last two years. So I think we are blessed by God to have been able to find Dr. Narayana Nethralaya and Narayana Hospital, and we're extremely happy, to be honest. So thank you very much. Thank you, Narayana Hospital, and
we will be back for the other eye.
We'll be back for the other eye next year. So it's a fantastic.